ain't got it all tucked in.
I ain't gonna step on it.
So that ain't. I gotta tuck it in there. We just had it. We just got done.
Yeah, I said I'm not gonna step on it.
Yeah, we literally just got done with it.
You got it 5,000 degrees in here.
Sorry.
Cold?
Oh, I was. But outside underneath this thing in the cold concrete.
So it's tuned now?
It is tuned on meth, and we're about E56 right now.
Yeah, we'll have this right here.
Yeah, we're about E. So this little light tells us whenever it's on and when it's not, when it's spraying. If it's green, it's spraying. If it's red, it's not.
All right, so let's go over everything that's been done to us.
So we've got a lot done since the last time. We've got a new 14% pulley at the bottom with ATI diameter. Puts us about 12 to 13 pounds of boost.
And what are they stock?
About 9.5. We have a big gulp intake, rotofab, which is the bigger one. We have alky control meth kit with a M15 nozzle. And it has been retuned, and we're on track radios.
I got those on the video.
So,
good speed up there.
It's quite a bit different than what it was. Oh.
Yeah, I'm sure it's quite a bit faster. It's like 5 pounds over stock and better fuel. And yeah.
Well, we blew them off a minute ago at 60 on slicks.
So what it did on street tires before. I think you're gonna have trouble getting this to hook.
Maybe not.
Faster than it was. You feel how bad it squats?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Is it in track mode? It's in sport mode.
Yeah.
There ain't no stopping that. This thing just freaking pulled the wheels just now. That's what it felt like. It felt dumb.
Yeah, it hooked. Just then a little bit.
Yeah. Wow. It definitely
make your belly feel.
Definitely raises the front end up.
How'd that make your belly feel?
It's still fine. For now.
Yeah. You can definitely feel when this meth comes in.
Yeah.
And we're not even fully 85, so it's even faster than what it is right now.
It's fast, I'm telling you.
It's got about 56% in it.
It's fast.
Yeah. It's running pretty. She's pretty salty.
The front end raises up so much.